Action.
I can't really.
That's cool. Keep going.
Dude, I don't know what else to say.
Oh, okay, I just want to type.
I'm supposed to yell at him? I didn't realize. Yeah, really.
What you gonna do about it?
That alone is annoying. I can't really.
Okay. Oh, let it close.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
So ready? Let's try it again. One more time.
Alright, so this is the last time. Alright,
Okay.
sorry, I can't.
It's okay. Keep going.
There's like people.
Keep going. Keep going. Go.
Here, let's just let him go over. You're good.
Say hello. You're gonna be in a major production. Hello. Do you work here?
I do. Wait.
So do I.
Do you
She
have a
basically just
media
saw
release?
camera. She saw camera.
Okay, the movie's about her now.
Do you have a media release form for this?
No, we do this illegally.
Well, I require, that the professional document before I get it.
No, this is a student.
You have a quota we have to pay, right?
Actually, we have nothing.
If you actually publish this, then, I can sue you.
That's true, but that's the fun of it.
Did
And
you teach them that?
only on YouTube, though.
Only on YouTube?
No, I mean, that's where we're going to publish it.
Oh, really? Okay, cool. You should send the links around.
Yeah, we will.
Alright, I was just joking.
I was joking, too.
'Cause I'm a
But I thought you were kind of serious, so
No,
I
I'm
was
a
like,
photographer, so
Okay,
I have
cool.
to teach people that.
got it. No, I don't teach them ethics. I didn't say that. So, ready? Go. Oh, it's recording. Okay. Go ahead. Oh, we can't get it higher?
That's out.
Oh.
Yeah, I know.
You can't laugh. That was so perfect.
Do we get enough? Sorry, man.
Dude, always at the end. Okay, well, we got.
I actually want you.
Yeah, you didn't do.
Yeah.
Oh, let's try it again. This thing was in the way.
That was good. You're killing me, man.
That's what we're trying to do. This is method acting.
This whole project was just a ruse to get you 6 feet under, pretty much.
So